Have you ever wondered which stocks have the potential to transform your investment portfolio in the next 35 days? Tom Lee, one of the most respected analysts in the financial market, believes that the year 2025 will bring unique opportunities for those who know how to act quickly. In this video, we will explore Tom Lee's view on the future of the market and analyze the 3 stocks he considers essential for achieving significant profits in a short amount of time. If you are an experienced investor but still have doubts about how to optimize your choices, or if you're looking for confirmation of your strategies for the future, this video is for you. Stay with us until the end and discover how these predictions could be the key to transforming your approach to the market and achieving results you never imagined possible in such a short period. Tom Lee is not a stranger in the financial market. As the founder of Fundstrat Global Advisors, he has built a solid reputation over the years, becoming a key figure in financial forecasts for investors worldwide. His unique approach and ability to predict significant market movements have made him a reference for those who wish to strategically position themselves in the most promising stocks. Throughout this video, you will understand why his predictions for 2025 are gaining so much attention and how, from these predictions, you can achieve extraordinary profits. Tom Lee sees 2025 as a year of significant changes in the financial market, with a recovery and accelerated growth following a period of global economic uncertainties. He highlights that certain sectors and stocks can benefit enormously from the conditions that are forming. Moreover, the dynamics between inflation, interest rates, and companies adapting to new economic realities, such as digital transformation and global political changes, will open doors for the rapid appreciation of some stocks. He believes that the next 35 days are crucial to position yourself correctly and obtain substantial gains, with a particular focus on 3 stocks he considers to have high potential. Let's begin with the first stock recommended by Tom Lee, a technology company that, according to him, will benefit enormously from the digital acceleration that will occur in 2025. This company is positioned to become a market leader in a sector that, in the coming years, will experience explosive growth. The technical and fundamental analysis shows that the moment to buy this stock is now. The company's performance history, combined with its innovations, places it in an advantageous position to capitalize on the next waves of market growth. To invest with confidence, it is important to understand how expanding technological trends, such as artificial intelligence and automation, are shaping the future of this company. The second stock Tom Lee recommends is from a company in the renewable energy sector, a market he believes will be one of the big winners in the coming years, especially after governmental and private investments in clean and sustainable energy. The forecast for robust growth in the coming months places this stock in a strategic position. Lee observes that the growing demand for greener and more efficient energy solutions is creating a window of opportunity for innovative companies in this sector. However, it is essential to understand the impact of sustainability policies and changes in environmental regulations that favor these companies. This sector is on the rise and offers a growth opportunity for those investing at the right moment. Third stock, perhaps one of the most exciting, is from a healthcare company that, according to Lee, has the potential to revolutionize the industry in the coming months. Innovations in biotechnology and the growing demand for advanced medical treatments in 2025 position this company for a significant leap in its market value. With the pandemic, there has been an acceleration in the development of healthcare solutions, and this company is at the forefront of that transformation. The future of the healthcare sector is increasingly intertwined with innovation and new technologies, and this company is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. For investors, the key is understanding the impact of medical innovations such as genetic therapies, personalized treatments, and diagnostic technologies, which are transforming the way we take care of our health. Now that we have discussed the 3 most promising stocks according to Tom Lee, it is essential to understand the global economic context that directly influences the performance of these companies. What does Tom Lee observe, and why does he believe these sectors are the most strategic in 2025? First, the global economic recovery after the turbulence caused by the pandemic creates a scenario for robust growth. The reduction of interest rates, combined with increased fiscal policies and investments in emerging sectors, will leverage the appreciation of well-positioned companies. Additionally, the growing digitalization of businesses, combined with a focus on sustainability and healthcare innovation, are the engines driving growth in these sectors. Being aware of these changes is crucial for an investor who wants to optimize their investments intelligently. Now that we understand the economic scenario, how can you apply Tom Lee's predictions in your own investment choices? The first strategy is to adjust your portfolio according to your risk profile. If you have a more conservative profile, You can start with a smaller allocation in the recommended stocks and gradually increase your position as the market heats up. For bolder investors, these stocks can be an excellent opportunity for quick gains. The key here is to diversify your portfolio, ensuring that you have a combination of assets that adjust both to rapid growth and capital protection. It is also important to consider using hedge instruments to mitigate risks and protect your profits. Of course, when investing in these stocks, risk management becomes essential. No matter how promising Tom Lee's predictions are, it is important to be cautious and protect your capital. A recommended strategy is to use stop-loss orders, which limit losses if the market does not move as expected. In addition, diversifying the portfolio is the primary tool for risk mitigation. By maintaining a combination of stocks from different sectors and risk profiles, you will be better prepared to face the ups and downs of the market. Remember, a successful investor is one who not only seeks to maximize profits but also minimizes losses. Now, let's look at practical examples of investors who were able to apply Tom Lee's predictions and succeeded. Imagine an investor who, upon hearing his recommendations about the technology sector, bought the stock of the first company we mentioned. With the growth of digital transformation and the acceleration of technological innovation in 2025, they saw their position appreciate significantly. Likewise, an investor focused on sustainability and renewable energy, following Lee's predictions, bought stock in the second company and achieved substantial profits as investments in the sector increased. These are clear examples of how, with the right information and the right strategy, you can achieve great returns. To summarize, the three stocks recommended by Tom Lee offer an excellent opportunity for rapid and significant growth. Global trends, combined with the strong positioning of these companies in their respective sectors, make these stocks highly promising for those looking to capitalize in 2025. However, it is essential that you apply the correct investment strategies and risk management. The market is constantly moving, and seizing opportunities strategically is key to success. By adjusting your portfolio and positioning yourself correctly, you will be on the right path to maximizing your gains and achieving your financial goals. Tom believes that the global economy is at a turning point. While the pandemic generated challenges, he sees a strong recovery driven by technological innovations, new fiscal and monetary policies, and the acceleration of digital transformation. Let's detail the impact of these factors, how they affect different sectors of the market, and specifically the stocks that Tom Lee recommends. Now, let's address the economic scenario that Tom Lee predicts for 2025. To understand the reasons behind his predictions, we first need to look at the macroeconomic factors that shape the financial market. Tom believes that, despite the challenges caused by the pandemic, the global economy is recovering rapidly. The injection of fiscal and monetary stimulus, the acceleration of digitalization, and technological innovations create a favorable environment for growth. However, the stock market is becoming increasingly selective. Tom emphasizes that, for 2025, companies that stand out in strategic sectors, such as technology, renewable energy, and biotechnology, will have the potential to offer significant returns. Tom Lee's analysis of the stock market helps us understand why he is so optimistic for this year and how investors can take advantage of this. Let's explore the technology sector, which is one of the biggest focuses of Tom Lee's predictions for 2025. The analyst sees digital transformation as a robust growth driver in the coming years. Areas such as artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and automation are rapidly expanding, bringing new opportunities for companies operating in these sectors. Tom points out that technological innovations are responsible for disruptive changes in various industries, making many companies more efficient and competitive. Companies leading this transformation, like those focused on AI, for example, have a strategic position in the market. Technology has also been one of the main drivers of economic recovery, especially in the post-pandemic context. Now, let's detail the first stock recommended by Tom Lee, which is a cutting-edge technology company. Tom believes this company is extremely well-positioned to capitalize on the growth trends in the sector. The company is involved in innovative areas such as AI, machine learning, and automation, which have huge potential to transform the market in the coming months. The company already has an impressive growth history, with solid financial results and a well-defined strategy for the future. Let's analyze the company's business model, its competitive edge, and why Tom Lee believes it can generate quick profits in the next 35 days. We will also discuss the company's current valuation and its short-term growth prospects. Another sector that Tom Lee points to as promising is renewable energy. The growing concern about climate change and the push for sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels have created a growing demand for clean energy sources. Tom believes that as governments and companies increase their efforts to reduce carbon emissions, the renewable energy sector will become a key area for investments. The renewable energy market is growing rapidly, and related technologies, such as solar, wind, and energy storage, have proven to be increasingly efficient and affordable. This sector not only represents a crucial shift in how we produce and consume energy, but also a significant opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on future growth. The growth of the renewable energy sector is driven not only by market demand, but also by favorable public policies. Many countries worldwide have adopted policies that encourage the transition to a low-carbon economy. Tom Lee believes these regulatory changes play a key role in the growth of renewable energy companies, creating an ideal scenario for investors. Health is another sector that Tom Lee points to as one of the biggest growth opportunities in 2025. Biotechnology, in particular, has proven to be a field of enormous innovation and advancement. Companies developing new therapies, vaccines, and treatments for complex diseases are in a strategic position to generate large profits. Biotechnology is rapidly changing the landscape of medicine and healthcare, and this has a direct impact on investments. With the popularization of gene therapies and the introduction of new personalized medicines, biotechnology companies are transforming the way we treat diseases. In conclusion, Tom Lee's predictions present an excellent opportunity for those looking to optimize their investments and achieve quick profits. Now is the time to act. If you like the content, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your investing friends. And, of course, subscribe for more videos on investments and financial strategies. See you in the next video, where we will continue exploring the best opportunities in the market. Thank you for watching until the end. Remember, success in the financial market starts with the decisions you make today.